Hello class, Mr. Stone here. The problem they gave us today, it's calculate the perimeter of this shape, okay? Calculate the perimeter, okay? This could be like a tricky question to a lot of students. Maybe they'll see this on exam and they'll calculate the area, they'll calculate something else. Or they'll add up just what they see here. They won't think, hey, there's a little more to this, okay? Because there is a couple sides missing, okay? Up here, I put actually the definition for perimeter of a rectangle or any type of shape. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's a square or a rectangle, octagon or whatever. The perimeter is going to be the same. It's a total distance around the shape. So it takes all the sides into effect. So what they gave us here, they gave us quite a bit, but they're missing a couple. Okay, they're missing this one, they're missing this one, and they're missing this one. But can we calculate that with the given information? Sure we can. Okay, the bottom one here is going to be 15 plus, it's going to be this one, right up the top here, 15, and it's always going to be this 8. That's going to be the total distance from there to there. Okay, 15 plus 8 equals 23. 23. Now, we're still missing this one over here to the right. Okay, but what's that going to be? They gave us that one's 12. Okay, they gave us one's 12. But now that's the total distance. Okay, and then they gave us a partial distance. Okay, so it's going to be minus the 7 that they gave us. Okay, minus the 7. So we're going to use the 12 and the minus 7 equals 5. Okay, so we get that. Okay, so we know this one's 5, and we know this one's 23. So I think we got them all now, okay? So just to double check, the 5 and the 7 doesn't make 12, okay? The 15 and the 8 does make 23. So that checks out perfect, okay? Now, let's just keep going with this, okay? So I'm going to start over on the left, and I'm just going to start writing them, okay? So we got a 12, then we got a 15, then we got a 7, then we got an 8, and then we figured the 5, and then we got the 23. That's all. But now, you notice I put these all in a line, a straight line, so they're lined up so I can add these, okay? I could have started with the large ones and put that, but it's not always going to be like that. So you just got to make sure that you line up the units with the units, the tens with the tens, and the hundreds with the hundreds, okay? And then add accordingly, okay? So just always make sure it's nice and neat and lined. So I'm just going to add them down. I got 3 plus 5 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 7 is 22, plus 8 is 30. So I'm going to write a 0 there. Then I'm going to carry the little 3 up there. There's a 3 reminder. So I got 3 plus 2 is 5, plus a 1 is 6, plus a 1 is 7. So 70, okay? So my answer's perimeter 70. I'm going to write a big 70 here, square that off there, so the teacher knows, hey, that's my answer, okay? But now, you notice how I wrote nice and neat. So now, hey, I'm just going to go to the next one now. I'm going to go to the next one. But all of these I'm going to check off, review, everything. So that way I can come back and I can double check my math. Hey, did I do 12 minus 7 equals 5? And it does, okay? 15 plus 8, does it equal 23? Yes, it does, okay? Then did I add it correctly? And hey, that's what I want to know. So you can double check your work. Like I always say, never be the first one to turn in your chest. Always be the last one. Hey, they're flipping the lights. They're telling you gotta get out of the room. Okay, the test is over. And then you turn it in. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any mathematical friends or know any students in school, please share this with them. Maybe it'll help them get better grades. And that's what it's all about. Thank you. Bye-bye.